So we're working on a Isuzu diesel 4-cylinder by the looks of it. And a broken glow plug right here. So it's an M10 glow plug. I'm going to start by drilling the inside of the electrode to 1/4 inch. Luckily, the electrode come out with the head, makes it easier to drill. Acts as a guide. Okay, we got far enough down we can get an extractor in there. But first, I'm gonna drill a couple threads out with 1330 seconds. And hopefully that's what was holding it in there. So a little bit of rust at the top. There's rust there. So we're going to try an extractor. If it doesn't move here, we'll try drilling it a few more threads. Oh. There it is. Didn't have to drill too much out, so threads will be good. Just a bit of rust forms at the top of these glow plugs. And once you drill out a thread or two, but don't try anything smaller than a 1/4 inch. If you try a 3/16 extractor, you're just going to break the extractor. That's an Isuzu glow plug. Till the next one.